Welcome back. I'll continue the next topic. In the last class, I told you that set command. Okay. Before class, grep command is completed. So now last class already completed set command. So what is the set command? What procedure it will be follow? What is the advantage and the using set command? So some information was explained in the last class. Now in this class, using set command, so more operations we are executed. So you know that already mainly 4 operations. One is insert operation. Okay, we want to insert the information in the particular file. Okay, so next one is searching operation, deleting operation, and substituting operation or replacing operation. These 4 operations are done by using the set command. How it is executed? So I want to give you detailed examples based on the set command. Okay, set command operations. So mainly insert operation, delete operation, and search operation, and replace. Replace operations. These 4 operations are done by using the set command. Okay, insert operation, delete operation, search operation, replace or substitution operation. So one by one, I want to give you the examples, detailed examples. So first you can see that displaying the partial text of a file. Display the partial text of a file. Why it is partial text of a file means only some information we will display. That's why it is a partial. Okay, only some information. In the file contains number of lines are there. I displayed only particular lines only. That's why partial text of a file. Displaying the partial text of a file. You can see that using sed, you can view only some part. You can view only some part of a file. Rather than seeing the whole file. To see some lines of the file, use the following command. So here $set option n. Option n means number of lines. Option n means number of lines. Okay, so 22, 29 paragraph. So what input file? Text file. Okay, test file.txt. In this file, only display these 22 line to 29th line. Only display 22 line to 29th line. Okay, these lines only display. We are using this command. Okay, display what lines? Starting 22 line to 29th line. 29th line. These lines only display the output. We can use the set command. Okay, it is very simple, na? So set space option n. Option n means number of lines. Okay, so what lines? 22 line to 29th line. Okay, P means paragraph. Okay, so in the file contains number of paragraphs are there, na? So that's why 22 line to 29th line paragraph in the particular input file. In this file, these lines only it will be display the output. So this is called as a set command operation. First, okay, we can display the information. Okay, so using search information like, okay, it is a search operation, searching information. What lines we want to search and display? These lines are searching and display the output. Okay, 22 line to 29th line display the output. Okay, next, display the expected sum lines. Okay, whatever you want to lines, that lines only display. Okay, so here display all the content of file except for some portion. Use the following commands. Mention the lines from the output. So only you want to some lines, remaining lines we have to remove it or delete it. Okay, that's why here set, here no option, no option n is not there here. So set space 22 comma 29 line deleted, remaining lines will be displayed. What is the meaning here? So only 22 line to 29 line. Here small d means delete. You observe it. Small d means delete. Okay. So these lines only delete. These lines only delete. Remaining information will be displayed using this kind of syntax. Okay. So 22 line to 29th line only delete. Remaining lines are displayed. You can use the some lines of the expected lines of the deleted. Remaining lines will be displayed on the screen. So this is called as set command. Okay. Delete operation. Delete operation. In the previously search operation, now it is delete operation. Next, deleting the lines using set command. How we are deleting? Here n means nth line. Capital N means nth line. So D means delete. Nth line up to nth line, all the data will be deleted using the set space nd in this particular file. Okay. So here, so all the text information is deleted. You can use this command. Okay. You can see that to delete lines set from a file, use the following command, where n, capital N, is the line number. Okay. And option D means will be delete. I told you already, small d means delete. Capital N means line number. Okay. So the mentioned line numbers to delete the last line from the file. Okay. So here I am not mentioned any line number, just the option N, D giving the input file. So directly whatever the line you are giving in, that line will be removed. Okay, deleted in this particular command using. Okay, delete operation. Okay, so you observe it. Capital N means line numbers, small d means delete. Okay, next, deleting the range of lines. What line to what line we are deleting. So here you can see that 29th line to 34 line you want to delete. So specify it. Okay, single quotations you specify it. Just display the these lines only deleted. Okay, so here to delete the range of lines. What range of lines? 29 line to 34 line. Lines are deleted. Remaining lines are displayed. Okay, so this command we can follow. Okay, set space single quotations 29 comma. Without comma, we will not give the range. Okay, compulsory we must use the comma. 29 to 34 lines are deleted in the what file? Input file, testfiles.txt. This file, these lines are deleted. This is called as range delete operation. Okay, replacing. Okay, replacing or substitution. I told you already what data we are replacing, what data we are changing. Okay, so here for example, one small text file we are giving, cat created grid file.txt. In this grid file contains 4 lines. In this grid file contains 4 lines. Suppose I want to replace it in the Unix place, small Unix place. I want to replace in the small Unix place. I want to write the Linux. So how we are giving? See that set space single quotation S we are giving because of starting S / Unix, small Unix. So in this place, small Unix place, I want to replace the whatever the pattern string replace that new pattern I am writing here. Here I am writing Linux. So in the Unix place, Linux must be displayed. What file? In the grid file.txt. So see the output here. Here only starting. So here here also Unix is there. This is not a position. Okay, only first positions Unix is there in the line. Wherever the first line Unix is there, that only deleted. Here also Unix is there. Here also Unix is there. Here also Unix is there. This is not removed. Only first field only replace it. Okay, in the first field replace it. Unix place Linux, it will be displayed. You can see that here Linux is there, here Linux is there, here Linux is there, here Linux is there. Okay, here Linux is there. Okay, so but here Unix no change. Here Unix no change. So only first field. Okay, starting of the field. If it using yes na, so starting Unix is there in this place. It will display the Linux. Okay, what file? Grepfile.txt. So you can understand easily. So this is the actual file. This is the output file. So replace it. So in the Unix place, I want to replace the Linux. So here Linux, here Linux, here Linux. So here not changing because of we are giving the field 1, field 2, field 3 like that we are changing. Okay, I will show you that entire line how it is changing. So this is the small replacing operation or substitution operation. So replacing first position, second position, third position. If you use the /1, /2. /1 means starting, /2 means second field, /3 means third field, /4 means fourth field. See that here. So this is the /2. This is the /3. Like that we are replacing. Otherwise not replacing. So that's why here. So replace the nth occurrence of the patterns in a line. Nth occurrence up to last line. So whatever the pattern we will replace using this command. Okay. So use the /1, /2 plus and so on plus /n etc. flags to replace the first or second occurrences of the pattern in a line. Below the commands, replace the second occurrence of the word Unix place using the Linux. So how we are writing, see that here second occurrence only I am writing. Suppose you are writing /3. Suppose you are writing /4. Suppose you are writing /5. Okay, so like that you are writing. So all are replaced with in the Linux place, Unix place, Linux. In the second occurrence, Linux place also here, this also replacing. Suppose /3 also, this also same. /4 also, if it is there, it will be replacing. So like that, we are executing the files. Okay. So it is very simple. Just /1 first occurrence, /2 second occurrence, /3 third occurrence. That will be replaced automatically. Okay, using this command. It is very simple syntax. You can see that. Very simple syntax. Okay. Next, replace all the occurrences of the pattern in a line. All the occurrences means just /g. G means global replacement. G means global replacement. Entire wherever the place Unix is there, that all the places will replace it using this one. Okay, so you can see that suppose here Unix is there, this place also Linux, here Unix is there, this place also Unix, this place also Linux, this place also Linux, this place also Linux, and this place also Linux, and this place also Linux, this place also Linux. So all these Unix places replace it and Linux. So how? Using /g global occurrences. Okay, entire file wherever the Unix is there, that will be replaced Linux. So it means that /g. Okay, set the space single quotations in the Unix place Linux. I want to give you what file, input file. So it is very simple. Okay, so it is very simple. Okay, so just slash G means global replacement. Slash G means global replacement. Entire file will be replacement. In the Unix place, we will substitute the Linux. Okay, so it is very simple. Okay, next, replacing the string on a specific line number. Only first line, second line, third line, like that. Na? Here, only I want to replace this line only. This is first line. This is second line. This is third line. This is fourth line. That's why replacing the only line numbers. So here 3 means this is the line number. Line number. In the third line, you want to change in the Unix place Linux. Just simple. Okay. This is 3 means third line. This is suppose 4 means fourth line. 2 means second line. 1 means first line. Like that. So in the first line, in the Unix place, I want to replace the Linux. In the second line, in the Unix place, I want to replace the Linux. That's in the same procedure we are following to execute. So how I am writing the syntax, you can see that. Okay, starting off, we are giving the line number. Okay, starting we are giving the line number. Next, replace all occurrences. I told you na, slash G, we are giving. So this is the output. Okay, all occurrences, all replacement. In the test place, author. In the test place, author I am writing. Here actually test is there. In this place, author is there. Okay, here text is there. In this place, author is there. Okay, here text is there. In this place, author. Here text is there already. It will replace author. So like that, this is the output screen. Okay, all occurrences are set. Deleted. So you can see that deleted. Suppose this is the file. Okay, cat file. So in this file, suppose 2D. 2D means second line. So here actually 4 lines. Line 1, line 2, 3, 4 lines. But here second line removed. 2D is there na? So 2D is there. Second line removed. Remaining lines. First line, third line, fourth line only display. Second line is removed. So because of we are using 2D. It is very simple. Delete operation. Okay. Here also. Okay. So again we will display the cat file. So it will display that. Okay. Only delete operation. Okay. So very simple. Okay. Delete lines. Okay. 2D or 3D or 4D like that. File contains number of lines. Whatever the line you want to delete, just simply in a single quotations write the number and small d you are represented. Write the number and a small d you are represented. Okay, it is very easy. Next, insert and append text. Add. Insert and append text. Add. Append means add. So echo other text. Here set I first test. Okay. So here this is the replacement word. Okay. So set I replacement. I means flag. Flag. Can insert or append the text line using the following flags: I flag, A flag. Okay. The A flag. So this is the output. First text and author text. Okay. So in the author text is replacing first text. Okay, first text is replacing author text. Exchanging. First text, author text, first text. Okay, so it is very easy. Okay, set command using insert. I told you already insert operation. So same like that. In the author text, first text is there, first text is author text is there. Ulta. Append. Small I. In the previously small I, this one is exchanging this one. Now here small a, this one is exchanging this one. So you can see the observe Okay. So in the set command contains more options are there. So here awk, okay, Aho Wilberger Carnegie command. Actually, this is another command. So this command also supports using set command. In the programming language also directly we can use that set command. Set contains the variables are there. Okay. So without with awk you can process a text file. How can process text file using the set command giving the text file. awk assigning some variables from the data fields found. So $0, $1, $2, $n plus and so on. So all this set you can use the set command. So that's why awk pattern scanning process language awk command using GNU in specific provides a scripting language for the text processing. Scripting language for the text processing we can use the set command. So here let us how awk file is working in the set command. Suppose this is the small file. In this small file contains 5 fields. Okay. So using set command, how it is executed? awk dollar print file. Okay. So this is the set command. Okay. See that awk using how we are executing. Okay. Actually, this is all awk. Okay. Okay. So these are the examples. So very important command using in the set command. Okay. So more options, mainly insert operation, delete operation, searching operation. Okay. So substitute operation, replacement operations, all operations are done using the stream editor. Okay. SED means set command. It's a stream editor. So it is very important command. Okay. So in the fourth unit, either set command or grep command or awk command. These 3 commands are there. It is very simple unit. Okay. So these 3 commands are very important. These are the filter commands. Okay. So in the starting, more filter commands are there. Cat command is also filter command. WC command is also filter command. So except this one. So these are the mainly pattern searching commands. Okay. So next class we will discuss the awk command. Okay. So very important command. So this, we will discuss later. Thank you.